Hi, it's Professor Kalamanis again. So you are in my class this semester. So I want to show you guys here where it says the student policy, right? So here it says, CUNY has made it clear that all students need to be vaccinated. Following approval of the Pfizer vaccine, students will have to upload proof of their vaccination by 27th of September. But here's where it says, look, until that deadline, students without approved vaccination status will need proof of a negative test to attend classes and access campus. Students taking in-person or hybrid classes who fail to meet this deadline will be subject to potential academic financial consequences. So if you get financial aid, it's in your best interest to make sure that you have one of two things. The first one is this. It is a VAX Pass from the app that CUNY is using, and it's called Everbridge. So you should have gotten some information about this. So here's my VAX Pass, which means I can get in. So if you don't have this VAX Pass, you need to go in today actually, because you have to be there a day before. And you have to get a negative test so that we can meet tomorrow. Because if you get there in the morning, you're not going to have enough time. You need sufficient time. So if you have the VAX Pass, you can just go tomorrow and go right into the building. If you do not, I would suggest that you go today. I'm going to show you where you need to go to our class. This is our campus. See, it says Hunter. And this is the 68th Street campus. There are 4 main buildings. Here's the list of the buildings. These 2 are the 2 that you need to know. The West Building, which is right here, and the North Building, which is right there. So the West Building, here's Lexington Avenue, and here's 68th Street, and here is the subway. So if you're taking the train, Lex and 68th, this is the West Building. You just come right into the West Building if you have your VAX Pass, and you come up to the 12th floor, and our classroom is in Hunter West, 1242. So once again, here's the subway, right? And here's the building. West. Okay, now if you have to do this thing today where you need to get your quick test, you're going to go to the North Building. So you get off the subway, you kind of go around the block, and you go into the North Building there and tell them that you need the test. All right, so for everybody else, we're going to meet in the West Building tomorrow at 9:45. And I hope you have a great last day of summer if you haven't been on campus yet today. And I will see you tomorrow morning, bright and early, 9:45. See you then. Bye.